So here we are at the Piaggio Museum, just outside Pisa, and I just found out that Piaggio did not just make Vespa scooter, but they also made aeroplanes as well. So are we gonna go inside or not? Let's find out. It's supposed to be open till 6 o'clock this evening, and I'm a little excited, and I'm gonna keep you updated, guys. The one I have. Now we are inside the Vespa Museum. There's my son Hadi. For me, it's like a kid in the candy shop because I have a 1961 Vespa that there's a movie over here that you can watch. Adi, how do you like this place so far? Right? Vespa also made scooters to use in the war. Here is one where you can put this kind of like a rocket launcher and use it during the Second World War. That's a military Vespa, and this Vespa was used during a rally from Italy to Vietnam, and this one was used from Alaska to Terra del Fuego. There was an Australia to South Africa rally. All these rally Vespas. And this Vespa is a very special one because this one was signed by Dali. As you can see his signatures over there. These are from here, these Vespas are from 1946 to 1957 model. All of them been restored to perfection. And these are the classic Vespa posters, some of the classic Vespa paintings. And look at this one, guys. Wow. What a beauty is that? It was built it's a Vespa 98, built in 1946. What a beautiful piece of thing is that? And over here, we have from 1958 to 1968 models. I have myself a 1961 Vespa. And this is a Vespa Rally one. It's Vespa 180 Rally, built in 1968. This one right here. Look at the colors, guys. Wow, beautiful. This one was built in 1950, called Vespa Montellari. I guess it was for racing. All these are racing Vespas. Some of them are signed by the racers themselves. This is from 1949, Vespa 125 Corsa. This is also from 1949. This was from 1947. Amazing. From 1951. Vespa PX Super Chow, and it's from 2016. And look at this, guys, the Super Vespa. It's at least 10 feet tall. Called Vespa PX Gigante. Was built in 1977. And Piaggio also built some cars as well. They were called Vespa 400. This one, Vespa Cilero, was built in 1951. And Vespa also made a helicopter, I guess, Vespa Alpha in 1967. And now we're going upstairs. We're gonna have some Vespas over here. It's called Vespa Tallini in 2012. These are the new models, I guess. Some of them are. Vespa Superhero model. Vespa Primavera. I'm in love with these paintings over here some people made. Look at these paintings. And I guess this is the world's longest or the biggest Vespa ever. It's at least, look at this, guys. It's called Vespa Trafelli, built in 2003. This thing is at least 9 to 10 feet long. I don't know how you're gonna ride this thing. Vespa artwork. This one is called Vespa Dolce Vita. It's 2015 model. This is a special Mickey Mouse edition. It was built in 2015. And as you guys remember this thing, this is a classic Vespa. Vespa was used in so many movies. The engines of Vespas, 1947 prototype. Beautiful piece of work. '63 model. Area they have all the models, blueprints, everything about Vespas. You can see all these beautiful Vespas. That was Piaggio's desk. That's where he used to work. And actually there was Corradino Assassinio's desk. He was a designer of the Vespa. That's how he used to work on. It's 1970 Pedali. That's Vespa 50 from 1973. Beautiful, beautiful. Over here you have from 1969 to 1989 Vespas. Bikes from 1909. These are from 1909 to 2009. This was built in 1936. It was built in 1959. This Gilera 500 Rodin Caranata was built in 1936. Gilera, made by Piaggio, I guess. Some of their dirt bikes. Some are motocross. This one was built in 1951 to 56. This is 1950 model. 1959, 1960. Galera G50 in 1952. 1962, I guess. Some of the motocrosses over there. Over here as well. They won their championship from 1987 to 1997. Some of them from 1997 to 2002. These are the motorbikes from 2002 to 2006, 2006 to 2008, 2008 to 2011, and these are from 2011 to 2015. These are the championship they have won, and as you can see on the pictures, their riders and their trophies and everything. Over here you can buy some sandwiches. This Vespa career rickshaws. Back in the days they used to have these careers. You can use this Vespa and put a career in the back. And that's a Vespa rickshaw. Also they have Vespa rickshaw in Pakistan, in India. That's how they look like. These are LPG, runs on liquid petroleum gas. It's an artwork website. They have the mopeds as well.